They're TI models, okay? They just called it a Super, which I think is super stupid, but that's just my opinion.
What's going on YouTube? My name is Chris and welcome to Immodernation. Now I hope you enjoyed this parody skit I did on Nvidia's new GeForce RTX Super graphics cards. Nvidia dropped this right before AMD released their Navi graphics cards. Now what I've noticed is that the 2060 and the 2070 Super editions are very comparable to the 2070/2080 cards respectively. Of course they don't really say that, but from what I've seen from performance numbers, they're effectively the same card. So really what Nvidia could have done instead was just lowered the price for the 2060 and 2070. All they've done now is created more SKUs and made the consumer more confused than ever. Is it a super card? Is it a TI card? What is it? It's really the same thing.
So you can call it like the 2060 Ti, you call it the 2070 Ti, and the 2080 Ti. I guess because they already have Ti's for the 2070s and 2080s.
I thought I would just have a little bit of fun, create some super badges and kind of just slap them onto items and make them even faster and better than ever. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I thought it would be funny. If you guys thought it was funny as well, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. Stay tuned for more content. I've got the GPU backplate mod coming up. I'm going to have the full videos for that. Still have a contest going this month. You have a chance to win a Silverstone power supply, which was featured in this video, if you remember. So make sure you click on the Gleam link in the video description below to get entered for that contest. That contest ends August 4th. And other than that, keep watching, follow me on social media, and I will see you next time. Knock the box over.